Pizza party! But without the pain of human delivery. Thanks to SERV Robotics and Little Caesars partnering to launch autonomous robot delivery via Uber Eats in the Los Angeles area. This collaboration expands SERV Robotics' presence on Uber Eats, which already offers robotic deliveries in cities like Los Angeles, Miami, Dallas, and Atlanta. The new partnership allows Little Caesars customers in SERV's Los Angeles delivery area to receive their orders via autonomous sidewalk robots. The robots used for this partnership are SERV's new third-generation models, which are uniquely suited for pizza delivery. They have an expanded cargo bin that can carry 4 large 16-inch pizzas, along with other menu items like Caesar wings, Italian cheese bread, and beverages, while maintaining food temperature and quality during delivery. According to Ali Kashani, CEO of SERV Robotics, delivering for a beloved national chain like Little Caesars is an opportunity to showcase how the company can help merchants grow and provide customers with a better delivery experience. Kashani added that seeing a SERV robot at the door will soon become a familiar sight, much like pizza night. Trish Husel, VP of Innovation at Little Caesars, emphasized the company's commitment to innovation and technology-forward solutions, echoing that the partnership with SERV Robotics and Uber Eats allows Little Caesars to deliver its delicious pizzas to customers in Los Angeles while reducing its environmental footprint. Megan Jensen, head of autonomous delivery operations at Uber Eats, expressed excitement about bringing autonomous delivery to even more customers through the partnership with SERV Robotics. The collaboration aims to make delivery easier, more reliable, and more sustainable by combining smart technology with everyday convenience. Little Caesars' autonomous robotic delivery is currently available through the Uber Eats app in Los Angeles. Customers can learn more about the delivery process by visiting SERV Robotics' website. This partnership is a significant step in the development of autonomous delivery technology, and it highlights the growing demand for innovative and sustainable delivery solutions. As SERV Robotics continues to expand its presence on Uber Eats, more cities will likely see the introduction of autonomous robot delivery in the near future. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.